Hello everyone. In the last session, we studied nested loop and executed this example. In this session, we will explore one more example to get more clarity on the nested loops. Suppose you want to print a series like this. Here, we have 1 star in the first line, 2 star in the second line and 3 star in the third line and so on. To do this, we'll first write for loop with JS counter and then put the range as I just for now. Inside this for loop, print a statement with end character as space. Then include this complete logic inside the for loop with I as the counter. We will start from the initial value of 1 and go till the range 6. Then a print statement to print a space which act as an next line character. Run the program. Well, we got the perfect output. In this example, we have used the first loop to travel these lines and the second loop to print the stars in horizontal line. So, when the loop started, the value of I was 1. Hence, the second loop printed only 1 star. In the next iteration of for loop, the value of I becomes 2 and therefore the second loop prints 2 stars. This goes on till I becomes 5 and then the loop breaks. Well, we printed these two patterns using nested loop and this is the code. Listen, it doesn't matter which programming language you are using. It could be C or C++ or even Java. Logic will remain the same. You will have to write these two loops to get the desired result. But Python has something special. We can print these patterns without using nested loop. Before we do that, just look at this statement. It is a simple print statement with an n inside it. When you run this, you will get a single n printed like this. But if we add a multiplication symbol and put 5 after it, what will be the output? Let's run it. We got n printed 5 times. Let me explain to you this feature of Python. If you put anything inside double quotes and multiply it with an integer in a print statement, you will get output just like a multiplication. So, if you put the name Newton inside the print statement, then double quotes and multiply it with 10, Newton will be printed 10 times like this. You can even add a space inside double quotes to get a decent output. Well, now you know this feature of print statement. Let's write a program to print this pattern without using nested loop. Here we have 1 star in one line, 2 star in second line till 5 stars. So how to do this without using a nested loop? We will write a loop that starts at 1 with a range of 6 so that our loop will run 5 times. And inside the indent of this for loop, write a print statement. Inside print statement, write star, then space in double quotes, and then a multiplication symbol and followed by variable I. So, if the value of variable I is 1, then 1 star will be printed. If the value of I is 2, then 2 star will be printed, and so on. Let's run the program. Well, we got the perfect output. Listen, the nested loop is not just limited to printing patterns. It has many applications. We will see them in our future session. Till then, practice hard. And if you have any query, please contact us at newtom.com.